Thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Regina and I'm doing a little bit of a different video today. So they say imitation is the biggest form of flattery, and they are right in this case. My video today is inspired by YOLO Naturally here on YouTube. She recently showcased 5 of her current favorite products that she's using, and I was inspired to do the same. So with that being said, I'm going to jump right in with my current favorite 5 items. This is so unassuming just by looking at it. I mean, it has a white label with some green writing, but do not underestimate this body soap. So this is by Mario Badescu Skincare, and it's a rose body soap. I purchased it from, this came from Marshall's, and it was $8.99. I'm sorry, it was $9.99. Now this is a pretty big bottle. It's 16 ounces, and I'm about halfway down using the bottle. I'm the only one that's using it. My husband is not using this. But my point in telling you that I'm about halfway finished with it is because I've had it for over a month. So while it is $9.99, may as well say $10, while it's $10, which is way more than I would pay for any other body wash, say Dove, Tone, Caress, way more than I would pay for any other body wash, $9.99 for Mario Badescu is a pretty good deal. So when I first saw this in Marshall's, I was just, strolling through. Wasn't even supposed to be buying anything that day, but I had to stroll through the beauty aisle, the beauty section. And I did a double take when I saw the Mario Badescu. And the first thing I did was sniff it. This has that Mario Badescu signature rose water smell. That's also what made me buy it. After I sniffed it, I have some skincare products from Mario Badescu, and one of them is the like a misting, a facial mist, and it's rose water. I love it so much. This smells just like it. It's an all-over body soap. It says it's for all skin types, and I like it. I love it so much. I'm gonna sniff it again because I just can't. Why not? If you don't love rose water, it may not be for you, but I love rose water, and the scent doesn't linger, but it does leave my skin feeling nice and clean, and I just feel pampered. Again, it is one of my favorite brands. So product number 1 is the Mario Badescu Rose Body Soap. Okay, my second item also is from Marshall's, and it's another beauty / self-care item. Y'all, this is a body scrub, and it's called Think Fall. So it's definitely a fall scent, and this is in the scent pecan maple. It smells divine. It smells like just a sweet treat. It's a body scrub, and it almost looks like a delicious sugary frosting, and it smells just as good. Don't sleep on the beauty and self-care section in stores like Marshall's, TJ Maxx, Ross, even Burlington. You can find some really, really good, inexpensive beauty and self-care items there. So this body scrub is 19.4 ounces, and it was only $5.99. This thing is huge. I bought it the same day that I bought the Mario Badescu body soap, so well over a month ago, and I still have a ton of it. I still have a ton of it left. Now, I love it most. I love to use it most when I'm taking a bath, but I take more showers than baths. I don't always have time or the energy to take a bath, because if I'm tired, I just want to take the shower and get it over with. But it's so good in a bath. If you use it in your bath water, you'll notice that your water may get a little bit oily, which is totally normal because it's a sugar scrub, and it smells so good. Leaves your skin feeling so soft. But use it in the shower too. Like I said, I primarily use it in the shower because I take more showers. Be careful though, because it does make the floor of your shower just a little bit slippery, and we don't want anybody falling. One thing that I discovered since I've been using this is that it's a great exfoliator for my underarms, and also it helps me get rid of any deodorant buildup. The deodorant I'm currently using is a solid, and it's one of those thick solids too. So normally I'm just kind of scrubbing and scrubbing to get all of it off, but I use my body scrub. I got smart. I use a little bit of the body scrub on my underarms. It gets all the deodorant off, and I'm exfoliating my armpits too. It smells so good. They had other scents besides the pecan maple. Pecan or pecan? Which one? I don't know. But they had other scents besides this one. I couldn't even pick a favorite out of all of them. I just went with this one, and I only bought one because if I buy everything that I want, I'll be broke and there'll be no room in my house to walk around. All right, my third favorite item that I'm currently using is by the brand Lumi. I know you've seen the Lumi commercials. They're on TV, they're on social media, they are hilarious. Lumi specializes in all over body deodorants. So this one I have is the Invisible Cream Deodorant, and the scent is Clean Tangerine. Now the thing about Lumi, they are so strategic in their in promoting their products, in their branding rather. So it's an all over deodorant, and it says you can use it for armpits, feet, and your privates. There you go. So use it basically anywhere that you may sweat or that your body naturally develops an odor. Use it anywhere. Anywhere. It's safe to use, and I've used it everywhere. The scent is Clean Tangerine. Now this is the cream, but I've also used the stick deodorant, underarm deodorant. I like that too. Well, it's not even just an underarm deodorant. I used it for my underarms, but it's a solid stick. You can literally put it anywhere. It is guaranteed to have 72-hour odor control. I don't go 3 days without showering or bathing, so I can't speak to the 72-hour odor control claim. Don't go 3 days without taking a bath, okay? Or a shower. Just may not be the best thing to do. But I guess if you're ever in a situation where you have to go 3 days or 72 hours, have your Lumi with you. It it's Clean Tangerine. The smell is okay. It's not the best, but when I tell you that it works, trust me, it works. This one you do have to order online. Everything, for the most part, everything that I'm sharing you can buy inside of a store, but not Lumi, only online. All right, my next products, actually I'm cheating a little bit here because it's not one product, it's 3, but I'm counting them as one because they're all from the same line. Dr. Teal's. If you're not really familiar with Dr. Teal's, let me tell you about these particular products that I love. Okay, so the first one is Dr. Teal's Sleep Spray. I went through a phase, and I won't even say went through because I feel like I'm still going through it, but I go through these phases where I don't sleep. And I was so desperate a few months ago, I just wanted to try any and everything that I could to help me get any kind of decent sleep. This is the Dr. Teal's Sleep Spray. It has melatonin and essential oils, and it's supposed to promote a better night's sleep. What I love about this, you can use it 4 different ways. You can use it in the shower, which I have done. You can spray it on your linen, your pillows, and your sheets, which I have done. You can spray it directly on your body, which I've done. And you can also use it as a room spray. Just spray it in your bedroom as you're helping yourself wind down and prepare for bed. It has lavender. I think lavender is the main. Lavender is a soothing natural scent that's supposed to help you relax. I'm not a big lavender fan, but I do love this, and I have used it all 4 ways. So if you don't want to use it as a room spray, spray it on your sheets. If you don't want to put it directly on your body, just spray it in the shower or use it on your body when you're in the shower, and maybe that will help get you relaxed. Really love this. I purchased this from Walmart, and I believe it was maybe about $5. The next thing I have from Dr. Teal's is a stress relief candle. This smells so good, or smelled. I've completely used it up. The little wick won't even light anymore. So this is the Dr. Teal's Aromatherapy Stress Relief Candle. It relaxes and calms the mind. It has eucalyptus, citrus, and spearmint. Did I say that right? Eucalyptus, citrus, and spearmint. It's a soy candle that lasts up to 36 hours. Love, love, love this. I was going to save it for an empties video, but I threw it in with these favorites. Really consider using this if you just want to set the tone for your nighttime routine. And I think it really helps. It's a stress relief candle, and I like it. It smells good, and I do feel like that eucalyptus and spearmint and citrus just really kind of relax me when it's time for bed. Okay, the third item from Dr. Teal's is this big boy, Epsom salt. And we're sticking with that soothe and sleep theme here. This is Dr. Teal's Pure Epsom Salt and Soaking Solution with lavender. Now this is a repurchase. This is the second one I've purchased. This is a 7-pound bag. The first one I went through in after 2 or 3 uses, so I went back and got the bigger bag. But yeah, it's pure Epsom salt fragrance with lavender to soothe and relax your mind and your body. So just pour a couple of handfuls, or pour it into your bath water and just let those crystals relax, and you soak in it and just let it take you away after a long day. I was having problems with my back, or I still am. I'm having some back spasms, and which my doctor says might be sciatica, by the way. So I got this Epsom salt mainly for my back, but if I have time and I just want to take a good bath, I use the Epsom salt. Smells really good. Just, it permeates your whole bathroom and whatever area is near your bathroom. It smells really good. So the Dr. Teal's Pure Epsom Salt with lavender. My final and 5th favorite item. This one also you cannot buy in a store like most of the other ones, but it's so worth it. I use this to take off my makeup. It's by the brand Versed, and it's a cleansing balm. It literally dissolves on your face. So it looks like that. All you do is wet your fingertips, and it says to use a dime size amount, which that's more than a dime, but use a dime sized amount on your wet fingertips and just massage it into your face. Now that part feels good all by itself. I massage it all into my face, and it looks a little greasy, but it's not greasy at all. It doesn't leave my skin feeling greasy. After you've massaged it all in, and I use it even on my eyelids when I'm wearing eyeshadow and mascara, I just gently massage it in. My eyes don't burn, nothing like that. After you have it all in, get a wet washcloth and just wipe it off or wash it off. Y'all, this feels so good. It makes my skin feel good after I use it. You can use it in the morning or at night. I don't use it in the morning because at night is when I'm taking my makeup off, or throughout the day if I'm taking my makeup off before nighttime. But it has eucalyptus oil and vitamin E. It's a mild scent. I do smell the eucalyptus in it though, but it doesn't linger on your skin and it doesn't sting. Very, very mild. And I like it. There are so many things that you can use to take off your makeup. Honestly, Vaseline is my ultimate go-to. You got Vaseline, makeup wipes, micellar water. But this is my current favorite thing that I use to take my makeup off. So if any of these products are familiar to you, let me know if you have used them. And again, this video was inspired by YOLO Naturally. Check out her channel. She has really awesome content. So at the end of the night tonight, I will be using this to take off my makeup. Thank you so much for watching. I will just list the products that I've used in the description box in case you want to refer to that and maybe look for some in your stores or order something online. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, keep it naturally corporate.